It's so hard to see his eyes.
so funny. Go on.
Okay.
For real?
Yeah, of course, you're my friend.
What? Don't touch me.
Yeah.
So funny. Go on.
Okay, say hi to the camera.
You're funny.
I said hi, not funny. Okay, so this is my Furby Zoe, and it's actually so I don't need to record that because it's a very rare thing to me.
So funny.
So I think it's a striped one. Not.
For real?
Someone said there is a zebra one, and I actually want it, but
What? Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna abandon you, my friend. I will love you. So this is Zoe, as you already know. I'm gonna show you the basics. Okay, say bye to the camera.
Wow.
This is saying bye. Also, this is a nice Furby. Not a
So funny. Go on.
bye Furby. I mean Zoe.
For real?
Yeah.